Hello students. The remaining portion of callus culture we will discuss in this video. We are discussing about the procedure of callus culture, and we have discussed that we are taking the carrot taproot, and we will put that taproot in 5% Tipol solution. After that we are washing it in running water 2-3 times, and we are capturing that taproot in 1% HgCl2, yeah, or 0.8% NaCl solution. So, and after that also we have to wash with water, and we have to make thin slices of fruit after that, and we will able to see, when we are making slide, we can able to see the xylem, cambium and phloem of that particular slide. And then after cutting the slices, we have to cap one of the slice into 70% C2H5OH, that is ethanol, for 1 minute. For 1 minute we are, this is 1 minute, and this is ethanol. HgCl2, I know you know, everybody knows that mercury chloride, and NaCl is sodium chloride. So after that we again have to wash with water. This is double distilled water, because we have to remove all the solutions we have kept that taproot. So we want to remove all the chemicals from that root. So after doing all these procedure, now we have to take a explant. We have to cut with the help of scalpel. We have to excise the explant. What is explant? A small portion of a taproot, that slice we have taken. सो एक्सप्लांट हम ले लेंगे, उसके बाद हम ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे एक्सप्लांट को किस में, कौन से मीडियम में, MS मीडियम, दैट इज़ मुरासिके एंड स्क्यूज़ मीडियम. इट इज़ नॉट क्लियर, आई नो, स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक हो गया है. इट्स माई नोट ओनली, एंड व्हेन आई एम इन under graduation, it's like very fast, my professor say, so we have to write very fast, so it's a spelling mistake, sorry all students. It's Murasike and Schools Medium, MURASHIGE and SKOOG, Murasike and Schools Medium. These are the two scientists. On the honor of these two scientists, they have given the name, the medium name. So transferring explant in this medium, and also supplement it with oxen, because oxen induce the rooting and cell division. So 2-4 times we will do this, and after that we will get the explant incubate. We will incubate that explant in semi solid MS medium. And after that we have to give lux light, that is 2000 to 3000. Temperature should be in vitro, we are doing in a laboratory condition, we are performing all these things to have. So we have to maintain temperature, the optimum temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. You can just do 2 degrees Celsius plus minus, mean 27 it may be, or it might be like 23 degrees Celsius you can do. So this is the optimum temperature. 60% humidity should be there in the lab condition, and after 4 to 8 weeks we can see the callus formation. So this period is of inoculation of explant, and this is the incubation period till we are taking capturing that explant in semi solid medium, and till the formation of explant. So till the formation of callus. So after the formation of callus, we have to do these two processes, or we can do somatic embryogenesis and or organogenesis. So these two processes we will see on other videos, and this is the overall procedure of callus culture. Now, what is the importance of callus culture? Why we are performing it? We are performing it because large number of plant we can generate from the small mass of callus. Only through the help of small mass of callus we can generate a large number of plant, जिसको हम माइक्रो प्रोपोगेशन कहते हैं. और हम बहुत से वैल्यूएबल फार्मास्यूटिकली इंपॉर्टेंट सेकेंडरी मेटाबोलाइट्स बना सकते हैं. किसकी मदद से? कैलस की मदद से. और ये किसकी मदद से करते हैं हम? कौन सी टेक्निक है? वो है सेल सस्पेंशन कल्चर. वो भी हम डिटेल में देखेंगे. और हम क्योंकि आप जानते हो कि कैलस सेल्स जो होते हैं वो हेट्रोजीनस होते हैं, उनमें बहुत से जीन्स पाए जाते हैं जो कि हेट्रोजीनस होने की वजह से उसमें जेनेटिक वेरिएबिलिटी की पोटेंशियलिटी होती है, जिससे कि हम क्रॉप इम्प्रूवमेंट में वो हमारी हेल्प कर सकता है. So it's the third important point of callus culture, and the fourth one is it can be the basis for genetic transformation and production of transgenic crops, because transgenic crops are very important nowadays. So callus can also help in the genetic transformation, as through the help of Agrobacterium tumefaciens we know the transferring of tDNA into the plant cell plasmid. It's only the process of transformation that bacterium is entering into the plant cell. So transformation के through transgenic क्रॉप्स का प्रोडक्शन किसके थ्रू हो रहा है? कैलस के थ्रू. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज आर द इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ कैलस कल्चर. And that's all for the today's video for the callus culture. In the next video we will discuss about somatic embryogenesis. Thank you.